3, 4. And I'm going to measure the length, which is 59. So once that is done, what I want to do now is start cutting. So I'm going to start from the neck, the folded side, and I want this to be 4 by 4 inches because I'm going to add a collar to this. And for the shoulder, I'm going to be doing 16 on the arm. The armhole, I'm going to make it 10. Then for the bust, 42 divided by 4, and I'm going to measure where I want the belt to start from, so 15. Okay, so this, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw a line. Like so. Okay. And for this, I'm going to create my armhole. And for the back measurement, I'm going to make that 1 inch low. I'm just doing all the drawings. I'm going to be cutting 1 inch for the shoulder slope. So I'm just going to open up the top because it's folded. That will make for ease of cutting. Right. So now with the two together, I'm going to cut. So I'm going to cut this together for the back. Then I'm going to separate it to cut the front neckline. Okay. So for the front, just lift up, down. Okay. Right. And we are almost done. So this, I'm just going to trim off the selvage because you don't want to see that when you sew. After sewing, you don't want that to appear on your sewing. So I'm just cutting that, trimming off the edge. Voila, that's done. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to fold this up and I'm going to cut the sleeves with the rest of the fabric. So I would say for this particular tutorial you need about 4 meters. So I'm going to fold the rest of the fabric. So I'm using satin fabric and it's got a little bit of stretch to it, but even if it doesn't have some stretch, it's still okay. So I want a long sleeve, so I'm just going to measure what I need. So normally for this it would be great to get a pattern so you can get the full big sleeve. So I'm going to do this, let's make this 21, and I'm going to add a band to the bottom, 21. So I'm just going to take that off. I'll put it aside. Then I want to cut the belt I need for so I need the belt to be a bit wide, so actually at the back to create a statement. And so I'm doing this. I'll still refold that. Okay, it's easier to just cut separately because it's quite a bulky fabric, but it drapes well. That's the good thing. So to cut both, I'm going to do 13 inches. To cut both belt, 13 inches into 2, 6.5 each. Okay. So cut off this bit. I'll cut this into 2. So this is one belt and the other belt. Alright, so this we're going to just stitch, and I'll just make the other. I'll get the other one as well, and I'll just slant the end just to create that yeah, to make a nice bow. So this goes around from the 2 sides of my dress. Now back to the sleeve. So I'm going to do that. So I want some pleat, since it's wider. Then, okay, we need to measure this now. So 15. Then it's going to so we're going to do that. Then from that bit, so what I've got here is up to 21. Then I will make, so I'm going to cut. Okay, so this is the sleeve. I'm going to add to this bit. I'm going to make the stitch the ruching. Then I need some fabric now to cut the band. So I'm going to fold this. I'm going to fold. I don't need too much, so let me not waste it. So we'll get the band. Okay. Now I'm going to cut measure that. So I'm going to measure, because it's going to be folded into 2 and this is into 4, so I'm going to make it 10, so that it's going to be about 4 inches extra. 10, and yeah, so let's see the width. So I need 10. This is what I need, because I'm going to fold that into 2. So that's the width I need. And I'm going to add extra 1 for the sewing. So this gives us 2. So what we're going to do is stitch this, okay, and that is going to be there at the bottom of that sleeve. So I'm going to put this together, and for the last bit to cut the collar, so I'm just going to fold this like so. 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Okay, so I need 2 of those. So I'm just going to place this here so I can get double. Okay, so this will go around the neckline. So I'll just sew this and this together to form my neckline. So yeah, I'm gonna go twist. Yeah, nice. You know the way it's done, girl.
Yeah. Oh my love. I am so much in love. This one.
Let's see the back.
Should I do?
Let's see your bum.
You
No, you didn't do it well, but it's okay.
Oh,
you need to make a note.
Bowl?
Yeah, a bowl.
I'm good at making bowls.
A big bowl. It wasn't tight enough, but it's fine. Yeah, that's more like it. Yay. Okay. Now pose like you own it.